Warren Buffett's 525 rule. 525 rule is a productive strategy that Warren Buffett uses to help his employees to determine their priorities and desires in life. It helps the employee to truly focus on their prioritized goals. There are 3 things you need to do in this rule. Number 1. Make a list of top 25 things you want to do in life. The things you want right now. For example, at this point in my life, some of my goals are to travel the world, be a millionaire, help people, and monetize this YouTube channel. So I would really appreciate if you could give a like and press that subscribe button. It takes me 10 hours to finish a single video. Number 2. Now do those top 5 things in your list. Give those top 5 things you want to do your utmost priority, cause those are the things you will want to achieve more than anything in life. So it is fair to give your undivided attention to those top 5 things, right? Number 3. Forget those remaining 20 things, because chances are those rest 20 things aren't as important as those top 5. A human being has limited energy and he cannot give it to everything, and if you divide your energy in many things, you won't be able to achieve any of those things. For in order to achieve something, you must give up on others, and that is a cold truth. Thank you so much for watching the video.